Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Thursday, February 25th, 2021. And today is another wild day in the market. Yesterday we had this giant trend up day, and today we get a small down gap that tries to fill the gap, then rolls over, and we have been trending lower. We're actually trading right at the lows, just below the lows of yesterday's trend day up. So quite a reversal taking place. Markets down around 2% in the S&P, around 2% in the Russell, a little bit more than that in the NASDAQ. The Dow not down quite as much, but sizable down days as we approach the close. So what I want to do this afternoon is look at what has happened historically when you get a trend up day followed by a sell-off to trade below that trend up day's low as we approach the close. So let me hop into Discover and set that up. We're going to be looking at all four instruments using a intraday time-based entry of 315. I'm setting it up as a long, so it'll be entering the market at 3:15, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Next, I'm going to go into the post-open filters, and this is where I'm going to be able to say that we are trading below yesterday's low at the time of entry. So to do that, I'm going to go into the intraday close versus daily levels, scroll down and hit equals next to less than prior day low. That means the price as of the entry time, which I've got set to 315, is below yesterday's low. So that's an important piece of information that I wanted to look at. And then the next piece I wanted to look at was yesterday was a trend up day. So we've got some predefined day types in our market profile patterns section within Discover. So our prior day types, we do have a trend day available here. I'm going to hit equals next to trend day. And then to confirm that it was a trend up day, I'm just going to go into price patterns and say that it closed above the opening print yesterday. So by saying it closed above the open and it was a trend day, that means it was a trend up day. All right, so this is all I'm going to add. I'm not even going to add any moving averages or anything because this is such a rare pattern that I don't want to lose any samples. So we'll look at what has happened following this pattern as I click View Results. And here we go. This is extremely rare. So the pattern is based upon trading below the prior day's low of day when the prior day was a trend up day, and that is trading below it at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Time. So if as you're approaching the close, you are trading below the trend up day's low, this is getting long and exiting at the close. We're currently trading right around the lows at the time of this recording, so I don't know if we'll be above or below the low at 3:15, but currently we are just under the low. So this has only happened 5 times in the S&P dating back to 2003. That is extremely rare. And the same with the NASDAQ, just 5 samples. The Dow has 8 samples, the Russell 5 samples. So we're looking at just 23 times between all 4 instruments here that this pattern has taken place. It looks like about 15 out of 23 of those have finished higher into the close from that 3:15 p.m. price. And I'm just doing quick math here on all the win rates when you combine all the samples, because looking at just 5 samples at a time is really light. But if you combine them all, you can see they are a little bit skewed towards the long side, with the S&P at 80%, the NASDAQ at 80%, the Dow 63%, and the Russell at 40%. As far as average win, average loss, an average win a little bit smaller than the average loss there in the S&P, and that average loss is just a single loss. So there's not really much average about it. It's just what happened there. Average win, average loss, a little bit larger on the average win for the NASDAQ, a little bit larger for the Dow on the average win, and then average loss a little bit bigger in the Russell, but kind of hard to look at with so few samples. I thought what might be more important is just take a look at the charts here. I've got the S&P selected, so let's just look at these 5 samples and see what has happened on this day. So last time it happened, September of 2020, and our entry time is based upon entering right here where my mouse is at. These are 5-minute candlesticks, so you can see from there, it got a little bit farther pushed down before it popped into the close, but looks like that was a pretty sizable pop into the close there. 30 points or so in the final hour of trading. This is back in 2019. That has a similar strong pop into the close in the last little bit under an hour of trading there. Let's go back again. This is all the way back to 2015. That one was lifting into the close. Not quite as much range as the others. This is 2011. Another pop into the close there. And then 2008. That is a long time ago. That one just sold off straight into the close. So this is the only losing example. The others saw some pops up into the close. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today, and we will see you next time.